What's up? Welcome to today's live stream. I'm William. Today is Monday, March 18th. I was just like, wait, I don't know why my watch doesn't tell me the time. It doesn't. I'm lying. It tells me the time. It doesn't tell me the date. It's almost like it defeats the purpose of a watch. My actual watches can tell me the date. This smartwatch doesn't. It literally just says 11:10. Whatever. Anyways, welcome to today's stream. This is a normal work day for me, so I'll be doing work stuff. I have a lot of questions that have been asked in our developer Discord over the past week or so. I haven't been responsive, mainly because I've been writing docs. I still need to write docs, but I also need to respond to these people. I don't like leaving our customers hanging like that. So yeah, I'll mostly be answering those type, searching for answers maybe, and just hanging out with y'all if y'all want to ask questions, or if you have thoughts, we'll talk about them maybe. Okay, let me move my work stuff off the screen. I don't know if, man, it's really windy outside right now. I can hear the banisters resonating at the moment. It's really loud, distracting. Okay, all right, yeah, so I think I got everything kind of close. So let's open up Discord. I haven't even had Discord opened. Like, that's how, I don't even know how many questions there are. Maybe there are no questions. Maybe this will turn into me writing docs again very quickly. Let's hope not. Nah, there's a lot. Like, every one of these white things here means that there's something that I need to respond to, or potentially need to respond to. So right now I'm in React. I know if I click out of it, it'll like unwiden it or whatever the word is. So I'm not gonna click out of it. Just gonna read through. What you do, solve. Okay. When I made the app a few months ago, and then Nick, by the way, this is in relation to this issue that he reported that he ended up solving himself here. So can I make this bigger? Oh, look at that. I didn't know that. Learn something new every day. All right, so his error, what it began to appear that I did not have in production before. PWA and Next.js hosted on Vercel, HTTPS using React 1 signal, and the passive SDK worker. Okay, with this configuration. Wait, with this config. This doesn't. Okay, whatever. I also tried this import. Okay. Okay. So uncall it. My site is not fully okay. I'm not using this option. My site is fully. Honestly, this right here is one of these questions where I probably should have asked him to give me a screenshot of his dashboard. So he said all he did was in the init config, I placed a subdomain attribute. Oh, did he have a subdomain? I don't know. He didn't give enough information. He didn't even mention anything about a subdomain last time. All right, well, anyway, he's good. So looks like, could you try adding path to init object? Did you do that? So he tried both. I also added the service worker param, one signal init. Wait, was I not clear? Maybe I wasn't. Could you try adding path to your init object? And then I give an example. And then the question back is path or service worker path. I think it was pretty explicitly path. All right, so he tried both and allow localhost as secure origin. I don't know if we need if this is necessary anymore. I need to confirm this because I was told that this shouldn't be necessary anymore. Anyway, so he tried with the server worker path as well. Okay. Would it help if I created a basic React app that recreates the problem? That could be okay. Should I post this as a GitHub issue? Okay, so when was this? March 12th? Yeah, it's been over a week. So here's what I've been doing lately. Whenever I read something, this is mostly for me, is to do this. So I know that I've actually read it. Because sometimes I'll click on stuff in the channel and it'll just go, it'll assume I've read it, even though all I did was just click on the thing. I didn't actually scroll or anything. So I'll lose all this context. All right, so let's replot it here. All right, so right now the task is, do I need to ask this guy to create a repo for me? Fortunately, or unfortunately, I don't know what the real word we should use is. I have an app already that I started building, not actually building. I started it to try to reproduce an issue last time I looked at our Discord stuff a week ago. So I'm gonna open that up. Oh, actually, no, that's a lie. That's a lie. I created this project to help with the player model map, because it literally player model map right there. So this was just so I can go back and forth between our different versions of the, wait, why am I in the lock? The different versions of our React, whatever this thing is. Wait, it's 3.2. Wait, I thought 3.2 was a version. Look at npm. Version 3? All right, sure. All right, fine. All right, we'll close that. We'll close that. Wait, why? All right, so it's using this init. We're gonna put a path. He's using Next.js. Is this a Next.js? Yeah, this is Next.js app too. So here's the thing. I need to put my service worker file in another place, I guess. He put it in something called one signal service worker. But I'm actually curious. You know what? I'll create a thread for this. Man, do I really not know how to spell curious? I wasn't gonna go fix it. We'll let this tool we'll let the tool fix it. All right, so I want to know, why is he using a separate service worker? Oh, you know what? Never mind. He's already answered that question in the original question, which is he's using the PWA. So that's the reason why. So we'll create a new folder and we'll just follow his thing and call it one signal. We need a service worker file. He names his that, so okay, that's what we call ours too. we'll create a file called that, and we'll take the import. I think he pasted it in here. Yeah, right here. Like, I don't want to have to go and look on the website to just do this. Import scripts and whatever that is. Okay. So now here I want to say go to one. Wait, what? One signal. Is that what I called it? Yeah. Oh, what did he call his? Maybe I should have mine be exactly how this is. No. All right. Yeah, he called this one signal too. All right. Let me just copy his path so I don't have to do anything else. Make my life easier. All right. And I think he said iOS, right? Yes. I had to open up a simulator. I think, yeah, I had to open up a iPhone simulator. Come on now. Nope, no Vision Pro today or ever. So let's do a new simulator. Actually, no. I have a current. I just got an email saying I need to do security training. Surfboard quit. The fuck? The hell is surfboard? Why do I care? All right, this is definitely not big enough. All right, well, let's open whatever this is, this big one. There we are. Okay, there we are. I wonder if this is the actual size of, no, it's not. It's not, it's way bigger. So why is the other one so small? Okay, look at that. Let's see if I can connect here. If not, I'll have to create a proxy, or no, not a proxy, a tunnel, which is not that big of a deal, but it is a deal. So we'll do dev, and let's see if I can access that local host. I doubt it, but no, you never know. So we'll say local host. Actually, no, local host wouldn't work. I actually know local host wouldn't work. Let's get my IP address on this machine. Wait, is it not? Is it EN? Is that it? Is it EN? Probably is, but it's fine. I've already done it this way. I'll just scroll. What the hell is my IP address? God damn it. I had to open up a web browser. There we go. All right, cool. So let's do not now. And I'm gonna just do this just to confirm. If this shit worked though, it worked. Fuck. I just wait. I wasn't expecting it to work. How does that work though? All right. I'm very surprised to learn that I can access local host on my computer from my iOS simulator. Did anybody else know that? I sure didn't. Here's why I didn't think that this would work. In every other operating system, whenever you do local host is that device. Like, it's the loopback of your NIC. So that's why I didn't expect it to work. So it'll go to an IP table on that local machine and look for, if it's not localhost, it'll look for things. If it doesn't see it, it'll go to DNS. I don't know. Maybe it went to DNS, and I don't know. This is actually, or what did I put in? Yeah, I actually put in localhost. The fuck? All right, well, interesting. Well, now that I have that, let's see. What are the problems? No overloaded match this call. Shit. No wonder. All right. Wait, why do I have this? Am I using this anywhere yet? Probably not. Let's see. No, I'm not. Perfect. So we don't give a shit right now. Oh, I got questions or comments, whatever these are. What's good? How you doing? I'm reading the book called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Love it so far, only 290 pages. Love books that teach me how to become wealthy and rich. What's your opinion on it? My opinion on anything is, I think that there's more to learn by doing. Right? Or that's a better way of learning. Not necessarily, like, obviously you do want to learn from others without having to do all the stuff, but I'm more of a do. I used to read a lot of books when I was younger, like seriously, hundreds, maybe even, I don't know if I would say thousands, but it's definitely in the thousands of books that I've read in my life. And in every book that I've read, like, you think you learn something by reading the book, but there have been enough situations where I've read something in a book, but I've also had the opportunity to do that thing in actual life. And in every case, I learned very quickly that what I read in that book is, it's just a part of the story. So I think it's necessary to do both. That's my thoughts. All right, so we got to see, like, right now it's not working, or it didn't appear to be working. Here, I would have expected to actually, you know what, let me do the thing. Let me finish it. So we're gonna add this to the home page. Oh, wait a minute, no wonder. All right, shit. All right, I forgot, he said that he's doing this as a PWA. This isn't a PWA. I think I have a project that's a PWA, maybe. Where would it be though? Oh, yeah, obviously it'll be here. All right, which one of these could be PWA? Could it be this Next.js sample? Or could it be the iOS something? I remember doing this. It could be the iOS sample. Nah, I don't think I would have named it that. Damn it. I really don't want to, like, I'll do it. Fine, I'll do it. It doesn't matter. Maybe there's just a package, Next.js PWA. I can just install and just be done. There's steps. God dang it. Who is this though? Next.js PWA. Who is this person? Where is this from? Whose docs is these? Duca Next PWA. All right. I don't know who this person is. Ducan, whatever the hell. Okay. Okay. There are some stars. It says it's a zero config PWA. I wonder if the person who reported this issue, what are they using? Like, are they using anything? Or you know what? How about this? Look at this, just delegate it back. Oh man, that way I can move on, because like I have potentially dozens of people I need to get back to. So yeah, I don't want to spend too much time on this. So I appreciate if you could send a reproduction repro. Okay. All right. Yeah, cool. So we'll keep that thread open, and then hopefully, he goes back to that in the future. Makes my life a little bit easier. Okay. Anyone know how to replicate the functionality of default bell button with a custom React component? I tried something like on click. Wait, what? Who wants to replicate the functionality of the default bell button? Well, you can't. Well, I mean, you can, but I mean, that's not a one signal thing. Although this right here should result in something happening. Here, I'm gonna just copy this, because I don't even want to type this. I'm gonna still have to type the button though, so it's not like I'm really saving myself any effort, but it makes me feel nice inside. That's what it does. How about that? Where's this page? Is it here? Okay, so then we're gonna add a button to here. In fact, I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna get rid of all of this shit. All right, so we'll do a button, maybe. Of course, you have to make a type button because web development. Button. Oh, what kind of button? Type button. Click. We'll also put that event handler. Okay. All right, we compiled. Let's open up a browser of some sort. Open the Firefox Developer Edition. All right, get a button. Open up DevTools. And let's do some clicks. Wait, where's the, all right, okay, all right, let's let's also do this. We'll do class name, and then we'll call it, we'll say like width is what, 5 maybe. I don't know. And then let's do some padding. Let's do some 4. Actually, not we'll do margin. Yeah, margin. We'll do 2. And then we'll put a border on it. Oops, why is it? Yeah, we'll put a border. And then we'll put border. Okay. We'll keep it like that. Let's see what happens. It's the touch. No, oh, no wonder. All right, it's not big enough. Interesting, but that's cool. I can just click that little piece right there. That's all I need. It's big enough for me to click now. So let's see what happens. Nothing. Nothing at all. Or maybe it is something happening. I just don't know that anything's happening. Let's see. So we're gonna do some other stuff. So we're gonna log. We'll say click, and yeah, we'll do that. I would have expected to see, oh wait, no, oh, never mind, here it is. Okay, so the click is happening. All right, let's see. Yeah, the click is happening, but he's right, the slide down isn't happening. So let's look to turn off this stuff, because I'm using Firefox Developer Edition. I locked down everything. So with all of these, all these different other things just turned off, let's see what happens now. Nothing. Let's refresh first. Nothing. All right, I feel like something should be happening. Let's wait on this. I think this returns a promise. We'll do that. Actually, we can do this. We'll say then. We'll do that. Form of promise. That, cool. Instead of waiting, because then I'll have to make this whole thing async. Won't even do it. So we'll refresh, do some clicks. Okay. So I've been able to reproduce something. All right. Why isn't our slide down prompt working? I want to add an event listener first. And I'm going to do that in my initialization down here. So we'll do one signal, slide down, and we'll do add event listener. And the event is, I mean, there's only one. And we're going to get the event essentially. But we can, I want to say I should be able to, yeah, just do that. Oh, wait, what? Yeah, there we are. So then you can say console log. And we'll say value of, and I want to say value of is a property, but it looks like a function. Oh yeah, it is a function that, okay, it's a function that returns a Boolean. Fine. So we'll say, is it down maybe? I don't know. Okay. All right, and now we can deal with this right here, which I don't know why I did that. We're gonna do prompt. Wait a minute. What were they trying to do again? Oops. Slide down prompt push. What am I doing? It's push prompt. Oh, it is prompt push. Okay. And let's give it some options. Force. I don't know yet. We're gonna leave those. We're gonna leave those blank for now. We're gonna leave it undefined for now. All right. We're gonna close. This is confusing me now. This too. It's confusing me. Oh look at that. We still have. All right. I'm gonna just move this off. I don't need it right now. All right. I see. I have some more questions. How do you think people become rich and wealthy? Is it by creating things? Well, maybe. I guess. I don't know. I haven't really thought much about it. I can tell you what's worked for me. It was just being helpful to others, not really focusing on the money aspect as much. So, like when I meet people, for instance, my first thought isn't, oh, this person is doing well, or you know, they're somewhere where I want to be. I want to go talk to them and see if they can help me. That's never been how I've been. It's always been, oh, I see this person is doing something really cool. How can I help them? And my biased opinion, because I mean, obviously, like everybody gets to wherever they are differently, right? I got to where I am that way, so I'm very biased that way. And a lot of the people who I know and you know, hang out with, they are more that way as well. So it colors my thinking. But I think if you do that at scale, that's how you get rich. So it's like how helping people, but a lot of them, you know, doing that efficiently. But, you know, I don't know. I don't really think much about that. I think more about doing things that I want to do. Just like, yeah, just randomly doing shit. It's interesting because all the things that I've done like this, like it turns into making a lot of money. Whereas like, I'm not really concerned about the money. It's just like, yeah, let me just do some stuff. Be good at it. I find that, you know, being able to stand out from the crowd gets you a lot of opportunities. And, you know, the more opportunities you have, the more likelihood that you would become rich. Right. So generally wherever I go, I do stand out, even in like social situations where most people look like me, I still tend to stand out. Other physical characteristics, like I'm relatively tall, so like just by virtue of that, I would kind of stand out a little bit. So yeah, in school, same thing, right? Like you can be average, and I think average is what, like a 2.0, or you could be above average, which I think is like a 3.0, or you could be excellent, which is like a 4.0, right? Like you can stand out anywhere. If you're at work, are you a person who, you know, gets your shit done and figures out other stuff like other work that needs to get done, or are you the person that has to be told what to do and you only do that and nothing else? So I think if you're that kind of person where it's like you just like, you know, you want to take on more responsibility, because that's what I've learned or noticed. The people who are self-made, I know a few people who aren't, but like most of my circle is self-made, similar to me. And one thing that I've learned is that they all, I don't know, the way they treat money is just different. You know, it's being helpful to others at scale, but it's also just like putting your money to work. Like that's how you get rich, like rich, right? But again, that's still like helping people, right? Or maybe it's not, maybe not. Like when I want to rent a house, for instance, and I'm over here like I want the rent to be relatively low. I understand that people need a house to live in, but it probably shouldn't be stupidly high because people don't just have all the money. Anyway, let's see here. How do you think people? Oh, this is the question for you, since you are already rich and wealthy. I don't know. Rich and wealthy is relative. It's interesting how all of the people who I know who you would consider rich, none of them consider themselves rich. I technically don't consider myself rich. Like, I know much richer people than me. But if you're saying that because I live in America, then you're right. Right? Like as an American, I agree with you. I am rich by virtue of being American. But that goes for all 350 million of us anyways. Even the ones who are homeless, like they're much better off than, you know, homeless in other places of the world. Not every place, but other places of the world. All right, so we're gonna prompt for the thing now, and we're gonna see if that event handler is gonna get touched. And for now, I'm going to comment out all of this. It's not being used, so we don't need it. That was me doing something else. Wait, what's going on? Why is that doing that? Okay. Oh, let me turn that off. Yeah, all right, cool. That may have been why it wasn't working, because I had that path. So because I've just done that, let me delete this or comment it out for now, and try this again, because the last two times it wasn't fair. All right, let's clear all this out. We'll refresh. Can I do with auto? Yeah, there, cool. No, it's still not working. Okay, what if I do the then? This was the second thing I did. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we'll just pass it to log. Whatever it is. And it was a function, so we'll just see a function if that's actually what happened. All right, nothing. Yeah, it's straight up no hopping. But one thing that I have to make sure is that one signal is actually here. Okay. I guess it is initializing. I mean, what else could it be doing? Wait, is prompt options not? Oh my gosh. Okay, we need to address this. Now I'm going to have to go and look at our documentation. This is, I brought this up several times actually. Now I'm pissed off. Like, I feel like now I can talk shit because I brought this up 2 years ago, that our types are not there. That this is not how you fucking use TypeScript. You don't just say, oh, just put, this isn't, oh my gosh. Okay, let's go to GitHub. Actually, do I have to? No, I don't want to go to GitHub. I want to go to our docs. Documentation. Oh, no, shit. These are the parameters. So I had to come and look at our documentation to get this. Not great. So this object contains an array of prompts with the below options. The below options. All right. I'm realizing that I never actually went and addressed the content of these. A lot of this was just copied over, and I said that I would, come in and update the content later, and I never did that. And here I am paying the price for that. So I'm gonna make sure that I document this. An email document, we shouldn't even call it. I don't know why I call it documentation. Oh, it's because I can't change it, no wonder. This is going to be our web SDK reference. And we'll say we need to rewrite descriptions for our prompt options. Fortunately, there is a link, so I can just link to it in the description. This slide down parameter, like, I don't think that exists. Oh, and and oh man, and like I don't know. I can't use this to help because we don't type it. So effectively what I'm saying is, like, I don't think that like this prompt options parameter, I don't think that one of them would be slide down. And I mean, maybe it is, maybe it is slide down, and then inside of slide down, it's prompts, types, auto prompt. I don't think that's what it is. So let me actually finish writing it just to make it easier. So we'll say prompts, which I don't know the type of that, an array of objects. Okay. So a prompt will be this. All right. And then it's like, well, what's a prompt? Right? You may be like, oh, well, yeah, here's your example of a prompt, but like, objects need to have properties, they have keys, and right now we don't. Oh gosh, okay, fuck. Oh, look at here, I was wrong. It is like that. Or at least this is what I wrote in the past. I don't actually know if this was right. No one checked it. I asked for it though. It's not like I don't ask for people to check my work. So I'm gonna just take all of these. Screw it. Let's just see what happens. What's the worst that can happen? This is really hard. Wait, what? All right, we have. All right. I think it's that. Oh, look at that. That actually worked. It didn't break. I mean, it didn't work, but it didn't crash. Or maybe it did. No, it didn't. Look at that. Cool. Clear all these logs. Click action. Nothing. Click action is not working. Even with this, even when I await this. Now, I don't want to trust that it's really not working. So let's open. I don't even have Chrome on this computer. Shit. All right, let's open. Let's install Chrome right quick. Wait, how do you wait? What? Download, install. Why is this taking me to a help center? Sure, fine. All right, I have Chrome now. Yeah, we'll just open it from the DNG. Third-party cookies are blocked. I don't know if those matter right now. All right. Yeah, it's not working. All right, I'm pretty confident it's not working. I've tested it on a couple browsers. If it don't work on Chrome, which everything works on Chrome. There's no security anything to worry about on Chrome. It just works. Okay, so then I think this could be a bug. Let's see if we're getting the event at all. So I probably should have not commented this out so quickly. So the reason why I want to test this now with the event is to see if the event at least fires. I don't expect it to, but you know, may as well try it. Wait, which one of these? Okay, let me close this one. I'm not sure which dev tools I'm looking at. Ah, wait. Ah, shit. That's not what I wanted to do. All right, guest mode. You know, I'm not sure if this is working right now. I don't think my init is working. No, okay, okay, all right, yeah, it is working. Okay, all right, cool. This is what I want to make sure that it was at least loading. It seems to be. Let's say later, I guess. Okay, look. All right, so the event handler is being called, but it's getting undefined. So we are at least calling the event handler. Yeah, right here. It's saying that this right here is undefined, but we can solve that easily. Let's just come down here. Instead of doing whatever this is, let's just grab an event, and then we'll just pass the event here. And maybe there's some data. Maybe. No, it's all right. So the event itself is undefined. All right, that's good to know. So then, this function is indeed being called. It's just that nothing's popping down, even though we have these prompts defined here. This is SMS and email. I have a feeling that I don't have the right one here. Yes, that is right. I don't. So we need to have another type, prompt type. Push. So we're going to use. Man, this is going to be a little bit challenging because I don't know the shape of this. So here's what I'm gonna do. Instead of changing all this, I'm gonna just prompt for SMS. How about that? We'll say prompt SMS and email. How about that? And when I click this, still okay. So it doesn't matter. So it says slide down of type SMS and email couldn't be shown. Check your configuration on the SMS dashboard to your custom code. Oh, it's the, oh, wait a minute. Is there some on the dashboard that I need to do? I don't remember there being anything on the dashboard I need to do for push prompts. Also, I don't even know what app this is. Let's find it. This is whatever that is. We'll just select a random one and then replace. Push slide prompt. I thought that this was my prompt. Is it not? What the hell? I actually expected this one to work. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's see what happens if I turn on auto prompt. Will it work if I do it that way? And you know what? I am going to put this here. I'll say if I had it before. So we'll say if not window dot. Honestly, we don't even care if this isn't on it, but we'll say it dot one signal. That way, I at least wait. Oh, it's still gonna do it. Okay, fine. All right, whatever. Okay, so it could be because I've dismissed it in the past. So I'm going to clear my cookies and all that other kind of stuff. I'll reload the page. All right, something is a little weird right now. All right. We'll do notifications because this is push. Remember, I've changed my... Wait, why is it dismissed? Refresh. I don't know if it should be dismissed. So I just accepted push, but I don't get a push subscription at all. Interesting. I don't have a one signal ID. Well, I guess that's not interesting. No, that is interesting. I should have a one signal ID. Huh. I wonder if I'm showing up on the audience side. Today is the 18th. I don't see it. I should have seen, wait a minute. First session. Yeah. I would expect to see the iPhone that I just did in the simulator, and I don't see that. All right, now I'm kind of confused now. Now my event isn't popping, like none of it's working now. Before, at least my event was popping up. It doesn't seem like nothing seems to be working now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is indeed a bug. I guess I will report it. Oh, well, first I have to say, look. And we'll make this into a thread. I can't type today. What is this thing? I'll slide down prompts. Not working. Okay. Why didn't that do the thing? Okay, all right, so let me, go to my notes. Okay, we'll move on. All right. Wait. Oh, okay. Wow. Use case. It looks like someone else responded that I'm good. Hi guys, I'm doing some tests to be able to send push notifications to a specific user using this external user ID. Looking at the docs, it says that I have to use OneSignal login to set the external ID, which works fine. But then when I try to send a push notification with Postman, it says the included aliases must be a hash. These are two separate things, bro. Like, this isn't a React issue. This is you didn't set up your well, actually, yeah, you didn't set up his request properly. So look at the identity verification page in the docs. You don't need that, and it says that I must use. You don't need that either. But OneSignal login only takes one parameter. Well, it's overloaded. Okay, no one's responded to him. All right, and then yeah, all that, I'm done. I'm done with React. React is done. Now we go to help. All right, March. Okay, so the last. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, so here I'm on March 7th. So yeah, I gotta figure out what's going on with these. If there's anything, if I can reproduce it, maybe I can just give them a answer. But yeah, this is yeah. This is the other part of my job. This is actually what makes my job a little challenging, because it's two things, right? It's well, it's actually 3 or 4 things. It's helping other people with their technical issues. It's writing in, like, I call it writing docs, but it's all of the things that help make sure that people know how to do the things. It's talking to people about doing the things, like trying to. Yeah, it's a lot. All right. It's almost my self-proclaimed lunch break. All right. Does anyone know what a 404 on this means? It stems from a call to log in user ID. Yes. Either this app ID, because this doesn't really mean anything. Some other ID like this, it means that either the app ID or the subscription ID doesn't exist. Also seems to come from when I subscribe to notifications via the OneSignal button. What is a, okay. All right, let me go ahead and put my little I so I don't forget, and then I'll actually answer his question. Let's have this spelled, yeah, all right. Okay, all right, we're done with him. Hello, is there any API for updating multiple user tags in batches instead of uploading CSVs on it? No. Updating multiple user tags. Oh, multiple user tags. Then yes, there is. Yeah, let me. Oh, he wants to do the. Oh, he wants to use the API. I assume he means our HTTP API and not our API for one of our mobile SDKs. He should be able to use this right here, this deltas object. Wait, oh yeah, here. Yeah, this tags. I will be putting some attention, some thought, some effort onto these docs very soon. I have to get past this notification API. I think I'm going to be able to start the user thing, but I don't think I'll publish anything this quarter. The goal is to try to get this notification API done. Obviously, I'm not working on it right now, so yeah. So maybe I'll get it done this week. That's the goal. Is just get the create notification, just this part done, and then hopefully these will go by really. Oh shit! No, there's more. I thought there wouldn't be many parameters. No, they're not. Yeah, I might be able to finish it. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, except for live activities. How about that? Everything except for live activities. Live activities could be its own thing. In fact, I thought we had a separate section for live activities. Turns out we don't. All right. Anyways, here is his answer to his question. Maybe. Man, it really don't want to go back, does it? Like, what's up with my history? It's not working. It's just going slow. Like, what's going on here? Here we are. Update user. All right, so he's taken care of. Is there any guide for implementing the 1-second notification service extension using native script? No, there isn't. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to try to use our new, because we did just get this. We'll use this mobile iOS. And I haven't updated the content shit, but whatever, doesn't matter. Add capabilities, add notification extension. All right, I think he's good. All right, I want to create notification using React Native. You can't. No, No, that's not possible. Because when I type one signal, not notification, I see this message. No, this isn't possible. All right, we will go to whatever that API that I just said and create this one. Yeah, here, cool. And you know what? I really wish that I can send him the new and improved version because, oh my gosh, like this is it's kind of hard to use. Or not, I don't know, use, hard to read, whatever the words you want to use. And maybe this is one word. Cool. Good morning. All right, good morning to you. Is there any documentation for iOS interruption level in the create? No, it's definitely there. Oh wait, is it there? I think I wrote it. Fuck, what did I just do? What the hell? All right, let's go here, and we'll go to README because I thought I had it. I thought I added that. When I say I added it, so like these are docs that aren't published. Let's see here. Maybe I didn't though. Interruption. Mutable content. Is this it? Yeah. Oh yeah, I do have it. Okay. Wait, why? Wait a minute. Whoa. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. That's not, it looks like someone is going over my work, maybe, or I was looking at the wrong version. I hope I was just looking at the wrong version. I was looking at the wrong version. Oh my gosh, yeah. I'm like, I remember added it. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna send him to these new docs, and just be like, yo, these aren't published, but like you can use this for now. Oh, literally here. Look at that. Coming in clutch. Turns out when you design shit for stuff, it actually works. I wanted all of these here so I can quickly look at a glance, and yeah, that worked out just fine. But you know what? I don't want to. I don't want to send them these new docs yet. I'm gonna copy that first. We'll say that, and then we'll also look for like what we have now, because I'm pretty sure it's here. iOS interruption. Yeah, here we are. right, cool. So I think we're done with him. Maybe. Wait. Yeah, we're done. Okay, when you run Flutter clean, all right. I tried all possible solutions. I still don't know. It still doesn't show as subscribed on the dashboard. I mean, is for 3.5. One single list seems to drop support for. Wait, what? Wait, I sent them. Okay. Wait, what documentation did I send them? Oh, wait. What document? I didn't. Wait. What documentation did I send them? Oh, okay. I see. I think this is that person where I created an issue for him. All right, cool. Let me. Or wait, did I? Gamey. Oh no, this is a different person. Okay, never mind. Okay. So where's this gamey person at? I don't remember sending him documentation. I would like for him to give me the link to where I sent him documentation so I can know. Like, I don't know what he's talking about at this point. Yeah. All right. Let's just, yeah. There was no reason to add here. I'm going to say most people here don't care. It's just me. But I guess, I don't know. I think some people have started to understand that I am the only person here who answers. So some will mention me explicitly now. What here? Yo, what's up? Preston, how you doing? Okay, let me make sure that I've marked this as looked at. Hello, will there be support for Compose multi-platform? Is Compose, is that PHP? Currently on the market, there is only one library that eases the implementation of push notifications, and it is a combination with it is in combination with Firebase. Will you guys support this? It's not clear what he's talking about. I think he has a lot of context in his mind that he thinks that I can read from here telepathically, and I simply can't. I think Compose is part of, you know what, I'll just Google this. I think PHP is Compose, right? Oh, the JetBrains. Okay, this is some new thing. Wait, this is so new that even JetBrains doesn't really have much to say about this. Let's look at the news for this. JetBrains, multi-compose. Look at news. Compose multi-platform 1.6. Okay. So when was 1.0? When was that released? But just to show that I'm not full of shit, yeah. See, it is a PHP thing. And that's why I'm like, wait a minute. Okay, so yeah. This is something new. Multi-platform development. Like, is this an IDE? All right, open source technology. I don't give a shit. JetBrains. All this means to me is that they've stolen the work of other people who didn't get paid to do it. That's what this means to me. I haven't really seen JetBrains putting out anything really truly in open source. Maybe they do. I'm not saying that they don't. I just haven't seen it. Other than Kotlin. Yeah, this looks new as hell. I'm trying to figure out like versions. Like, do they have like what do you call those things? Like a what's new? Okay, we'll go down to their initial launch. This is, okay, that's a release candidate. We'll go to 25. All right, we don't want to go to their betas or alpha pre-release stuff. Okay, 1 alpha, we're getting close. Still in the alpha. You're in beta. Release candidate. Okay, so it must be here. Here we are. Version 1. This came out in 2021. And is this a new, I guess this is a new IDE. I don't know. It's really, or is it a UI library? It's not clear if it's an IDE or a UI library, or if it's like its own thing. But no, I'm gonna just say no. There are no plans. Okay, technically I don't need a bit more. Yeah, it's telling me to remove it. I kind of want to have a bit more. Sometimes let me just freaking use the words I want to use. Okay, haven't been thinking about quitting my, haven't stopped, well, I can't talk about quitting your job, bro. I'm at work. Haven't stopped thinking about quitting my job since your stream. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know what to tell you, bro. I don't know. Do you? That's what I'll say. You know, you should only do things that you won't regret. All right. So the problem originated from me changing the configuration of the app on one signal. What does that mean? Does this mean the dashboard? Maybe, probably, hopefully. I guess one signal cannot update the Android configuration on their server until you contact support. Again, I don't know what this means. Wait, hold on. Android configuration on their server. I don't know what that means. My solution was to delete the app from one signal dashboard and create a new app. Then upload it to the server's account. And worse, it's just run clean build, fix the build, run Flutter and clean build, fix the error of missing. Oh, okay. So then, communication. All right. So this dude had 2 separate issues and he was conflating them. So this thing did indeed fix the thing that he told me he was experiencing. The only thing that he was saying was that he was getting a missing plugin dependency. And turns out that the thing that I told him to do did fix it. It's just that he told me that it didn't. And it seems like he was having 2 separate issues. One of which is, I mean, technically he can update our Android, your Android configuration without deleting your app. You just delete the platform. But yeah, he wrote an article here. Okay. So yeah, we'll look at it. And let me also let him know that he could also remove the platform, or wait, let me see. I want to, does this have Android on it? No, it doesn't. Shit. Okay, I had to find an app that has Android on it. That may be hard for me. Yeah, oh yeah, no, never mind. Look, it's not hard, easy. Yeah, you just, I don't I can do it. And thing doesn't work. All right, let me let them know. Oh, you know what? Let me make this a little bit smaller because I'm going to give them a GIF of this. All right, so you could do that, and then you could choose your file. All right, and then we'll stop it. Sure, whatever. Just change just change it. Okay. Where is it? Oh, here we are. Just kind of just drag it over here. All right, cool. We're done with him. So one more, or is there? Yeah. Just one more in this channel. Just in this channel. Yo, what's up, official Ronaldo? How are you? I'm fine. What's up? I'm just doing some. I don't know. Responding to people. And, oh, it's my lunchtime. Look at that. I'm gonna go eat lunch in a second. Hello everyone. Why? Okay, all right. You know what? This is my fault because I've been putting up like creating community guidelines and all that other kind of crap for the longest because it's work and I have other stuff that's more important to do. But people got to stop doing this ad everyone because yeah, quit spamming our fucking server. No, I'm gonna tell them this. Wait, is this going to actually? Yeah, we'll do this. Yeah, whatever. I won't say what I really say. I'll say it here on stream. Most people don't give a shit, right? It's like there are like 800 or 900 people in the server. Let's just assume that most people don't give it that many shits about what you have going on. Like that's just being real. You shouldn't mention in a public server like this. In a public one, if it's an internal one, that's fine. Slack, I think. Well, there is an here. Like somebody did here. I'm okay with that, kind of, because only the people who are online are gonna get that. But we shouldn't be sending an email or a text message or push notification or whatever gets sent out to Discord people when a person who has an issue with one thing is, and yeah, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just look at all these channels and let's just pretend that most people they only care about one channel, right? Like if you're Angular, chances are you're not using React. So if you're in React, it doesn't make sense to add everyone because the people in Angular and iOS and Flutter, they're all going to get it in. And then, yeah, it's not great. And then let me actually respond to his thing though. I don't want to leave him hanging. All right, I'm facing one issue. If you have one, please. I created one app and one signal through mail. Wait, through mail and DNS things are not verified. I'm only doing test mail based things, and this dude obviously doesn't know what the fuck a period is. I'm gonna try to read this again. Hello everyone. Currently I'm facing one issue. If anyone have idea, please guide me. I created one app and one signal through mail and DNS things are not verified. I'm only doing test mail based things, and when I'm not testing in Postman using app ID and REST API key related things, I'm getting the error. What can be reason? I don't know. I don't even know what the fuck you're saying, bro. Means it's necessary. Wait, means it's unnecessary that we should have a URL link if we only want to push mail or create an app for pushing the mail purpose. Then how can we test in Postman? If only I have app ID and REST API key things. So when I'm not testing in Postman using app ID and whatever this is related things, I'm getting error. What can... Wait, you're not testing and you get an error? I'm confused. All right, let's. You know what? I have an idea. I have an idea. It's gonna be a good one too. Oops. Wait, what? Did I close? Oh, wow. Okay. That was interesting. All right, sure. All right, cool. So we're going to go to Chat GPT. It just dumped us in. What the hell? Wait, update payment information. Why am I being asked for everybody's all of a sudden asking me to update shit? It's not gonna happen. All right, the person is encountering an issue with an application they created using one signal. Okay, they have set up the app using email. That's impossible, unless they added email. Okay, but they're facing verification issues with mail and DNS settings. That's not really my problem. That's very much a you did not put the thing in your DNS. When they tried to test the app's functionality using Postman with the app ID and REST API, they encounter errors. Okay. They're asking if it's mandatory to have a URL link to use one signal. Yeah, yeah. that's what these DNS things are for. Anyway, let's just respond to this person. So what errors are you getting? That'll be the first one. Don't just say, I'm getting errors. Like, the fuck? How am I supposed to know what errors you're getting? Means it's unnecessary I don't know what that means. Okay. You can't send email. We don't push emails. You can't send email until you verify your DNS settings. All right, look at that. We're done with that. So 2 channels down, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 1 because I don't care about announcements. And then I have this thread. So I have 10 channels to go through. And I went through 2 and it's taken me quite a bit. Actually, it's taken me almost 2 hours to go through 2 channels. So yeah, this is gonna be an all day thing, I guess. And yeah. Now I'm about to head out. So you all have a few minutes to keep me here for a little bit longer. If you have questions, I'll stick around for, up to 10 more minutes. Otherwise, I'm gonna peace out and go do something else. Like eat. I'm hungry. All right, I'm assuming there's none, so I'm about to peace out. Y'all have a good rest of the day.